Hey guys, Eric here with another unboxing of an old school skateboard deck video. So in my last video, I unboxed my new Christian Hosoi deck. This one was a gift, so I actually have no idea what it is. So you might be as surprised as I am. So we'll see what we got. So originally I collected old Powell decks and old Santa Cruz decks. So I'm kind of hoping that this is either something to add to the collection or maybe something unique. My wife bought it for me, so we'll see what we got. Oh, awesome. Okay, cool. So it is another cab deck to add to my collection. Let's get this guy off of here. Outstanding. So this one is the full dragon. My other cab deck is the one where the dragon head is in the box. So another reason to be super stoked on this is Caballero actually mountain bikes with a good friend of mine. So there's the possibility that I might get to meet Cab pretty soon. Problem is they're all on e-bikes and I'm on a manual. So I gotta up my game to try to keep up. But definitely stoked to get this. I love the color, the green and red, and it's gonna be a nice addition to my collection. So cool. Thanks for watching my video, and stay tuned for more.